In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Pinterest. By the end, you'll know exactly where the settings live and how to quiet the alerts you don't need while keeping the ones that matter. First, open Pinterest. You can do this on your phone or on the web. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your account settings. Once you're in, head to your profile. On mobile, your profile is usually at the bottom right. On desktop, look for your profile picture near the top. This takes you to your personal space where all your preferences are managed. Next, look for the settings icon. It appears as a small gear. Tap or click that to open your account settings. This is where Pinterest groups all your controls for privacy, personalization, and importantly, notifications. From this menu, choose Notifications. That's the hub where you'll manage what Pinterest is allowed to send you and how. Inside notifications, you'll see three types: push notifications, email notifications, and in-app notifications. Push notifications are the alerts that pop up on your phone or tablet screen, even when you're not using Pinterest. Email notifications are messages sent to your inbox about activity like new followers, comments, or suggestions. In-app notifications are the updates you see inside Pinterest itself, such as badges or alerts within the app when you open it. Now turn off the ones you don't want, or switch off all of them if you prefer a completely quiet experience. If you turn off push notifications, Pinterest will stop sending alerts to your device's notification center. If you disable email notifications, your inbox won't receive Pinterest updates. And if you turn off in-app notifications, you'll reduce the number of alerts and badges that appear while you're browsing inside Pinterest. Your boards, pins, and messages remain intact. You're only changing how you're notified about updates. Take a moment to think about what's helpful versus distracting. Many people keep critical alerts like direct messages while switching off suggestions or promotional updates. The good news is that changes typically save automatically, so once you toggle something off, it takes effect right away. If you ever change your mind, you can return to your profile, open the gear icon, and revisit notifications to adjust anything. And if you still get the occasional interruption, remember that your device's own notification settings can also influence what you see, but your Pinterest preferences are now set the way you want. That's it. Simple, fast, and tailored to your focus. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a calmer Pinterest experience.